Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply sign in on Mint mobile app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Mint mobile app on your phone, go on top, tap on this option of sign in, and go ahead, enter your particular number. Then enter your password or use Face ID for the purpose, or tap on login option. That's how you can sign in and log in. But in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on this option of forgot password on top. Enter your phone number again, tap on this option of send at the bottom. They will send you a text message containing the code. Then go ahead, paste it right over here. Now you have to simply add in new password, confirm new password, and tap on confirm at the bottom, and you're good to go. So that is how you can simply change password and get signed in or logged in on your Mint app. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.